Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani, and in this today's chemistry session we are going to see the types of voltaic or galvanic cells. We know in previous session we have seen these types of cells convert chemical energy to electric energy by redox reaction. That is, here it is that is the spontaneous reaction occur which convert chemical energy into electric energy. So it is the spontaneous redox reaction there occur for conversion of chemical to electric energy, means to get electricity from the chemicals. There are two types of such voltaic cell, one called primary and second called secondary. Primary voltaic cells, they are non-reversible means in which cell reactions cannot be reversed by applying the cell EMF just greater than cell EMF. Example there is very common example, dry cell. Dry cell, that is the battery that we are using in our quartz clocks or in calculator or in video games or lot of such electronic and electric apparatus. These cells are, once they have stopped the working, they cannot be recharged. So these are non-rechargeable cell. Their cell reactions cannot be reversed, so we cannot get the original chemicals at anode and cathode, and this is the reason they are out of use once they stop using, once they stop working, And example in dry cell, it is zinc container there. Dry cell has somewhat such shape. In the dry cell, the central, it is graphite rod which is act as positive electrode, that is cathode, and the zinc vessel that act as negative electrode, that is here anode. We know in case of voltaic cell, the negative electrode is anode, positive electrode is cathode. That's very opposite to electrolytic cell. And the dry cell uses the electrolyte ammonium chloride and zinc chloride, this combination. It is there. This is the zinc vessel, that is they acting as negative. This is the central graphite rod, that rough diagram I have drawn. Then that is the primary voltaic cell. It is in which cell reaction cannot be reversed. It is not rechargeable. Okay. The second called secondary cell, or that is also called as storage cell. Actually it not generates electricity. In primary cell, electricity generated at the expense of redox, spontaneous redox chemical reaction. In the secondary cell, as the name indicates, secondary, it is storage cell there. Electricity stored from external source, and when that we required, we can take from it. That is the storage cell. It is the also called reversible cell because cell reactions can be reversed by applying cell EMF, by applying external EMF just greater than cell EMF. For example, lead acid battery. Lead acid battery has its potential or EMF of 2 volt, and when externally cell EMF greater than 2 volt is applied, cell reactions are reversed and we get again the electrolyte in that. Now what are the anode cathode there? The electrodes used are that of Pb means lead plates, and lead plates with PbO2 means lead oxide. They are alternately arranged. There is not one cathode, one anode. There are few cathodes and few anodes, remember, and they are alternately placed. It is some kind of such arrangement in the rectangular vessel. There are such, suppose I am showing that 4 electrodes there, 2 of anode and 2 of cathode, something like this. These are suppose alternately placed. These are joined that positive terminal form, and these will be joined to give negative terminal. While here it is necessary to know the positive plates consist of Pb plus PbO2, while this negative contains of Pb means lead. And here the electrolyte used is sulfuric acid. Remember, when the cell reactions are reversed, the anode cathode reactions also get reversed, and that's why the cell that can store the electric energy in that, and when we require we get out of it. Then During charging, this kind of storage cell act as electrolytic cell, means it converts the electric energy into chemical energy. But during discharging, it is acting as voltaic cell, means it converts chemical energy into electric energy. We know the applications of this lead acid battery that is used in households for the emergency light with the inverter, and in the two-wheeler, four-wheeler for the lighting purpose and all that electricity supply, that it is used as the lead acid battery there, the source of electricity. So that is two types of cell, remember. Primary means they are non-reversible, non-rechargeable, while secondary voltaic cell, they are rechargeable because their cell reactions can be reversed and that can be restored, actually that store the electricity and give the electricity. So that is for this session in this topic about the types of voltaic cells. Thanks.